Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basic library methods from the Java's math class. These are super useful for doing calculations in your programs, so let's jump in right. So in Java, the math class contains a lot of built-in methods for common math operations, so you don't have to create an object, you can just call them directly like this. So I prepared already some examples here, at least the common ones, and we will dive in with some examples. So let's start with the first one. First, let's initialize an integer value which we call x equals 10 and integer epsilon equals to 5. And if we system out print line and say math max x epsilon, and if we execute that, you will see that the max value is 10. And if we say min, the example should result 25. And if we say square of x shall return the square root of 10, which is 3.1622, and so on. And the ABS, this is also a cool example. Let's say math ABS, and if you execute that, it's of course 10. But if we make a negative value out of x, like minus 10, then you shall get 10 again. So you are only getting positive numbers here. And another example is the math power of 5, let's say, and I don't know, again 5, it's 3125. We can also round numbers and say, for example, 4.6, it's rounded a 5. And if we say it's 5 again, but the difference is if we tell 4.4, 4.1, and we're still getting a 5. Can also make or use the floor of a double value, let's say 4.1, you will get an 4, or 4.9, you will still get an 4. What is also sometimes useful is the random method of math class, and this only returns values between 0.0 and 1.0. If you execute that, you will see that you are getting a long decimal value, and if you execute that again, you will get another random value. So, and that's it, the basic Java methods about the math class. And in this video, we learned how to find maximums, values, minimums, roots, absolute values, powers, rounding, and random numbers. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.